In this video, I will talk about how I use my body part to measure length. What I will measure is the height of Ferris wheel. You can see this width in the Disneyland frequently. The material I have is a 50-meter retractable ruler and myself with a stature of 1.6 meter. This is accurate stature of mine because I tested in my physical examination in last month. I plan to use my structure, my shadow, and the Ferris wheel's shadow to create two similar triangles. Then use ratio to calculate the height of the Ferris wheel. This website supports my idea. To start with, I pick a good day, then I collect all my materials. At 11 o'clock, I use a 50 retractable ruler to measure length of my shadow and the Ferris wheel shadow. After that, I record my data, then I got the following results. The length of my shadow is 2 meters, and the length of a Ferris wheel shadow is 72 meters. From the sketch, we can assume that there are two similar triangles, DAE and BAC. My stature and the height of the Ferris wheel are opposite sides. My shadow and the Ferris wheel shadow are adjacent sides. After calculation, I can get the height of the Ferris wheel, which is 52 meters. Because of the corona, I cannot do this lab in real life, so I create a simulator which is reduced 100 times from the real one. That big circle is the Ferris wheel, and that small red point is me. I use my flashlight as the sun to create a shadow. As you can see from this video, when my flashlight is moving, the length of the shadow is changing. In this simulator, I can get similar result, but it's reduced by 100 times. Now, my shadow is 2 mm, Ferris wheel is 72 mm, and my stature is 1.6 mm. Although it's reduced by 100 times, the method is same and the serial can be applied. From calculation, the Ferris wheel in this simulator is height 58 mm. In this experiment, I use my body parts and shadows to create two similar triangles, and use ratio to find the length of Ferris wheel. I find that using ratio could help us to measure the length of something large, such as a Ferris wheel. According to research, this method is proved workable.